It is still a very hot day. Where is the rain? It's supposed to be a rainy season already.
Walk through life. Every day is a new beginning. Shine your light. It's a day and the world is waiting. Move along to the song, singing in your soul. Feel the beat, clap your hands, let it take control. All you need, all you want, are you ready to find your way? And you wanna make it last forever. We'll keep it together, 'cause it keeps getting better.
Good afternoon.
Just messing with your vlog.
So yeah, we have to stop and pause from work for a little bit because Ralph has a craving. We're going to Koyo's Cafe. This is our second time as a customer. We actually went 2 days ago but never vlogged it. It was raining, I think, that time, and one of us was not in the mood. It is still a very hot day. Where is the rain? It's supposed to be a rainy season already. Early this morning, Ralph was so upset because he checked the status of our Torrid purchase. But the last status update we saw from the website of DHL was they apparently made an attempt to deliver yesterday, which was such a lie because we were here all day. We never even went out. So he called the customer service of DHL only to be redirected to a number that is invalid. So he was starting to really get pissy, knowing Ralph. So I also did not tell you that I placed an order for the Yi 4K Plus Action Cam. Yes! Finally! Well, before, I was so torn about Yi and GoPro Hero 5 Black. I thought GoPro Hero 5 Black was all lit. And then Ate Tina arrived here and gave me a comparison of the specs between Yi 4K and GoPro. That time, the Yi 4K Plus was not yet available. And I saw the Yi 4K Plus has a 4K 60 FPS. Can you imagine that? GoPro does not have that. And there's just so much more to it. It's slightly cheaper than GoPro. I won't say really cheaper over GoPro because the price is just basically the same. So after careful consideration, we decided to just go for the Yi 4K Plus. And I have seen some footages online and I am quite impressed. So we're just waiting for that. So we're here at Koyo's Cafe again. Ralph is... I don't know what's wrong.
I had to order off the menu. I don't know what happened. The mocha disappeared. But I am really ordering a mocha with an extra shot of espresso.
During the free taste, Ralph wanted to get mocha, and Janice, I think, shied him away from mocha, so he ended up getting the cappuccino, which was also good. Today, actually when we were still at home, he was like, I'm really gonna get mocha. And when he got here, the mocha was not in the list. So it is a very sunny day. And after this, I'm planning to get my nails done. Oh, that's a really nice version of sorry. Sorry. That is my cafe latte. This is really so convenient. You don't have to keep fanning yourself. All you have to do is just hold it and you have a fan. We're here at Mabi right now because Ralph needs to buy some of the stuff for water filter for drinking. So it's 11 p.m. now. We are still up. There's not a lot of activities today. After the Mabi trip, I was not even able to get my nails done. First, we went to El Salon. It's quite full. There were like 3 girls waiting. And of course, I couldn't wait that long, so we transferred to Pink Flamingo. Well, we went to El Salon because we were already at Koyo's place. So it's kind of like near. Just walking distance. But yeah, it wasn't really... I couldn't wait that long, so we transferred to Pink Flamingo. And Pink Flamingo, there's a short staff. There was only one girl there that was doing the nails, and she was very busy and she couldn't accept me. Let's put it that way. She said, "Oh, I can't accept you anymore because I'm just the only person here." So, long story short, from Pink Flamingo, we went out and just headed straight to Mabi, and then that's just it. So, it is a very short vlog. I think this is the shortest vlog I've ever made. But thank you so much for watching. If you like our video, please don't forget to give it a thumb up and please subscribe to our channel. Bye!